The Tuckshop. Welcome to the Tuckshop experiment. We're in blockade, and we are loving our space. On this episode, we wanted to show you a little bit about the ins and outs of putting together a Tuckshop. And yeah, here's our little spaza. Okay. Let's see what we have. One of the things that a lot of people overlook is the cost of the Tuckshop itself, this little building here. And I believe we got ours, it was about 3,000 pula and 3,200 with transport. And then we have our benches in the back that we had one of our friends come and make for us using some pallet boards. And those cost us about 500 pula to cut out and install. I don't have the quite number of how many pallets we used because some of them are still left over. We got a sign made that is wipeable so that we can put our prices in and then remove them. And we also swipe. I believe it's about 75 pula per month at 2% in sales. About 30 pula kwana. And then these are some of the things that you need in order to keep up with keeping the Tuckshop clean. I love our customers. I want to get thing. So let's see, what else do we have? The pizza. The pizza is cheap. Yo, because these I bought them 400 pula a piece. Get size 4. And then ile one can negotiate the size 5. In addition to that, the kotlele tse di tlhatswetsa mo teng. Hona le di emere tse di nyenyane tse di tsenyang di sukiri. Because sometimes we need warm water to clean up and make sure that we can get oil out of our pots and pans. But let's move on. And next, I think we're going to look at our di silver tsena re di rekile ko Besco tse dingwe di rekile ko Knockout, and they usually start at about $50 each. Yo, di kotlele tse di a tura engwe ke la thulwa ke koloi gone le tla e bona. And then di bucket tsene ke bua ka tsone ke tsone tsena, bucket ya flour, bucket ya sukiri, because as you know ha rata go ba di 12.5 mo soon because of thieves. Sometimes people can break into the Tuckshop, so just to avoid losing most of our stock, we keep our food, raw materials in small containers. Now, I don't want to smell soon. When we bought it in a little bit, but we decided to add a burglar door, and this was installed and then pushed all the way down. So just so that we can make sure that it is actually holding the whole Tuckshop down, but also for added security. Now, some of the things that we have also at the Tuckshop, which ran us as 1,500. We also installed this cage inside the Tuckshop. This is where we store most valuable items like a cylinder. We have a 19K cylinder there that we fill for about 400, depending on the price. I could like to price, I guess, I change. We have some cooler boxes, some containers that is in dijo because we separate our food. Chicken, fresh. And then this one is the big one that puts our magunya stock. So that they can stay warm and ready to go. Raswiper. Thank you so much, Absa Bank, for keeping us swiping modern, mobile, and digital. Okay, let's see. And then one thing that was in our Tuckshop, we believe in lists, we believe in details, we believe in numbers. So when we go and do our stock purchases, we must put everything down here, and it must be clear. How we how the drinks so that everything is clear. And let's see what else. Thank you, Farmhouse, for container kana ke ne bela ga malapa le mantsi mo Botswana. E kgona go bela duela tse dintsi nna re dirisa go bela madi mo teng motsegare. Meeting, guys, there's some meetings that need to be had. This one is a very complicated meeting about how we sell our sweets. di-sweets di senya batho mo mathateng. Di-sweets ha di recommend ya teng ya thelo hela go lo one ha nke re lebella but ha ke ra itse re di-sweets di kgona go hiwa batho gape. So in order to combat that, we have come up with a solution that every packet ya di-sweets will have potase tle be re tshela madi a tsone mo teng. So ha motho a reka di-sweets re ba kgwene ya teng mo teng mona. Ha by the time nna ke a go reka stock, I just grab that bag ke be ke a go ba replenish tsa stock. Ga ile gore ga gona madi mo bekeng ya di-sweets e go ra gore ga go rekwe di-sweets batho di-sweets di tla felatse. So just know that that is the plan that we have right now. Whichever packet doesn't have money in it, that means we don't replenish that stock. It means that those sweets were just given away. And no, I'm not in the business of charity. Yes, this is a Tuckshop experiment, but it doesn't mean what I really mind. Well, when I get a plastic, we gonna need a plastic di 40, kana di 50. So imagine if we buy them for 40 pula di le 100 ebe re rekisa 1 pula, that means we make what 100 pula ebe re khona go tsa 40 pula ra go replenish stock. Ha re sa tsenye mo bekeng, ha re sa be madi a teng separate a tlhakatlhakana la mangwana kante la retsi. But anyway, la bona ke re plastic ya teng e empty go mo go supela gore ha rena madi a stock di plastic tsena. So ha o reka magunya le mantsintsi re tabe re ona le plastic tsone tse dinyane tse le hela o phakgata.